Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna do some mudding. We're gonna go with some of our friends and my brother Josh. We're all gonna go four-wheeling, and I'm gonna take the dirt bike here. It's all ready to run and drive. He'll be taking the four-wheeler. So we're gonna be meeting at my friend Ben's house. This is gonna be a fun ride. We're gonna go do some mudding. I've been mudding before with the dirt bike, and it's just a blast. It's crazy how much mud this thing can go through. And especially with the new back tire, we got a new tire. It really helped a lot. The grips are helping a ton. So now I have good traction and stuff. So yeah, I've not recorded myself before going on any of these rides. So this is the first. So hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, let's get right into this video.